Maximize your brainstorming sessions in Lucidspark with dynamic collaboration features. Start by sharing your board. Make sure your current view of the document is the one you want your collaborators to see. Then, from the Share button, select a shareable link and check this box to link to your current view. Make sure you've set the appropriate permissions for your collaborators. Then, copy the link and share it with your team. When they enter the board, they'll be led straight to your current view. After a link is shared and your collaborators enter the board, you'll be able to see your collaborators' cursors moving around the canvas. To kick off your brainstorming session, have your collaborators choose their color from the Team Tools menu. The color they choose will be reflected when they create sticky notes or draw with the pen tool. Back in the Team Tools menu, try adding a timer to keep time-sucking tangents under control. Customize the timer, then hit start and let the timer keep you focused. With Lucidspark's infinite canvas, there are literally an infinite amount of places your collaborators can be on the board while brainstorming. To quickly find them, click on the view icon next to your collaborators' avatars and select the person you want to follow. So wherever they go, you go. And when you want to bring everyone back together, click the view icon and select Call Others to Me. Your collaborators will then get a notification on their screen letting them know that you're ready to present to them. Now, you are ready to utilize Lucidspark's collaboration features to run the most successful brainstorming session you've ever experienced.